not walking on the beach, but doing a sound check because that sound got through. Let's see what else we get. Beautiful day, probably low 80s. Oh, here comes some more. Let's see what these boys do. I'm on my new Pantronic with windsock. Let's see how this works. Because I don't know that you can hear the wind over because of these motors. Holy guacamole. And you can see the beach is packed with people. Natural staging of the air show is about 3 miles down. But we've got tons of boats here, tons of people watching here, and this town is just packed full of people for Lauderdale Air Show coming up here. Comes another one. Anyway, this is Lucky for Beach Walking a Joke. We may not get a joke in today, but we'll try. Here he's taking his time. Come on, boy. Put some gas in. Get that pedal on the right. There he goes. I know, isn't it something? How you doing, Chuck? Great. I've started it. Go ahead. What? The green thing? Oh. I'm not sure. I think it's one of these guys, one of the kite surfers, but he's way out. I think so. I can't see all that well without my regular glasses on. But there is a crowd of people. I was out driving earlier, and the traffic is unbelievable. There must be so many people come into town this weekend just for this air show. Today and tomorrow. And, of course, they had the practice earlier this week. You heard them go by this earlier. Yeah, they do the practice. But the center of it is 3 miles that way is where they have the center of the show, but they come up this way staging it, I guess. Yeah. Oh, God, yeah, I can imagine how bad it is down there. After a while, I'm going to ride my bicycle down that way just to see how it's doing. Started a new YouTube channel. For me, I started one. What I've got there. Anyway, this iPad takes great pictures. It takes fantastic pictures, but the sound has been terrible. So I bought an external microphone that I can plug in with a windsock. That didn't work worth a darn. So now I'm down to my Plantronic Bluetooth, and I wrapped this around as a windsock. And I'm experimenting now to see how that turns out. So hopefully that'll work out. We'll see.
I don't even see the frame.
I know. Oh gosh, yeah. Must be a jet from the sound, but oh God, yeah. Oh, he's got to pull back up, we hope. Oh, there goes a load of them there. Yeah, they'll probably come back around. But it was kind of dangerous driving yesterday. I was out and they were practicing that cuss, and you could see everybody looking out like this instead of where they're going driving. That what?
It's amazing to me that they don't hit each other.
Somehow they got that worked out. You know, you hear over the years, every once in a while they do collide, but Fortunately, they've got it worked out. Oh my God, there's a load of them there. They'll probably come around behind us. I think the boats are out there to watch the air show. I know when I go down that way, there will be so thick of boats that isn't funny. That's down at the main area. I think it is that also. I think it is that because I've seen a lot of divers out, not today, but in days earlier. I was going to do that one time. It was too much on me. There's something there.
Died on television. This guy on television just died.
Oh gosh, that doesn't ring a bell. What kind of business was he in?
He was a commentator and
a news commentator.
Yeah, very famous guy.
Huh.
The thing is that I had a travel agency in New Jersey 20 years ago.
Yeah.
The guy that looked exactly like him.
Yeah.
Told me that he wanted to come down here. And I knew nothing about this place at all,
Yeah.
But I couldn't let him know that I really didn't know anything.
Yeah.
But he stayed in. There's a white hotel up there.
Yeah.
And I had to make believe I knew the hotel. I'd never been there before
Yeah.
in my life. But he came down here, and he went deep sea diving and he died.
Oh, you're kidding! Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Every time I pass that hotel, it's all white, and I think.
Yeah, it would remind you. Yeah, it sure would. I used to go diving, and I've quit. I've got all the best equipment and everything else, but now, Joe, yes. Oh, really? How about that? Oh, well, that'll work good. But I quit on the diving stuff. I haven't been diving in probably 10 years. And I used to go out I was friends with a lot of the lifeguards down in the Central Beach area, and after work they'd go out and catch lobster and stuff like that. That was those guys are in shape though. I mean, I was like sadly out of shape and everything, but those guys are animals. They're the type of guys, if you're drowning, you want to come after you. I'm telling you, they're fantastic swimmers. Yeah. I think a lot of them on the beach here are from the beach club. I think a lot of the people that live in houses back here belong to this beach club. Apparently, many years ago, our building had the option to buy this property, and we didn't do it. So what it is now, from what I understand, just about anybody that gets approved can be a member of that beach club. And so you got access to the beach, and they have parties and things for your kids and stuff. And I'm pretty sure a lot of the folks that don't live right on the beach belong to it. It's kind of like when I was growing up, we had a community swimming pool that you could join, and we did that, that kind of thing. They had Geronimo was standing down there to be sure people didn't come park on our lot. Snuck up on us, I tell you. Here, this guy's coming back around. Yeah, he's coming back around here to the right. Oh, now he turned back.
One thing way down there that part of the show
No, I think that's just somebody on their own out there doing that. Here comes one back.